आज मेरा जी करदा मर जाइया.
I think it's happened in everyone's life
So
at some point.
would you like to share?
And the truth is that people who are young, it will happen in their life. Like happiness is part of our life, so is sadness. Share matlab in the sense that everyone has had loved ones who have left them, who have gone away, hopefully to a better place, who have left them and gone away, hopefully to a better spouse or to a better person. So I think we've all gone through heartbreaks and heart pains. So I kind of drew through that. Something that did happen to me was before I started this film is I lost my grandmother. Something that I never let out, but more than me, I think the pain obviously hit my mother, who lost her mother. And because she's my mother, I saw that very up close and personal. And actually, before we started the film, Sriram and me spoke a lot about death and about how people react to death in different ways. And I learned a lot. I mean, because obviously he has more experience, so he's seen way more than me in life.
Hi Varun, Alok here from.
Hi Alok, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. सवाल ये है कि कितनी बार चोटें लगी थी टोटल, क्योंकि अखबारों में हमने पढ़ा, लेकिन अभी आपसे जानना चाहेंगे क्योंकि दो अंतरे एक मुखड़ा है गाने का, तो ओवरऑल.
जो दो लोग इधर राइट पे बैठे हैं, आप इनसे पूछ लो क्योंकि इनको पता है एग्जैक्ट. अहमद सर से पूछ लो, तीनों से पूछ
got
लो.
burnt, then he's fallen down, then he's hit himself, then we've hit him
ये
with bottles.
जो बॉटल्स तोड़े हैं, ये पूरा अहमद सर का आइडिया था.
Ahmed sir went himself to throw the
Yeah, he did.
मैंने सिर्फ एक फोड़ी.
बट थोड़ा था.
झूठा मैंने देखा आपको, एक दो तीन ऐसे एक के बाद एक आप देख रहे थे.
Others were thrown here, there, and we were not getting that effect.
Retakes कितने हुए
I said,
उसके?
BD, मैं आता हूँ. I came with the bottle, and the bottle which slammed him here was me. And I'm very sorry about that, BD. And he said something hit me very hard here. And that was the okay shot. तो कभी आप गाना वापस देखिएगा तो उसमें देखिएगा एक बॉटल जो बहुत जोरदार यहाँ बेचारे को पड़ी है. And it flew. And sweet of him, after that whole night he shot with all the glasses all over him.
pyro
And the
pyro का बता दो जो मतलब there's a thing it's called cold pyro जो झूठ है. there's nothing like cold pyro. anything that's fire
BD,
is always hot.
there is, but उस दिन hot pyro.
सर वापस
There's
ये
a pyro which there's a shower like a Niagara Fall. तो ऊपर से it falls down. And I said, VD, we called cold pyros. And I don't know what went wrong with those idiots. They ended up getting hot pyro. And he stood inside and that runs for nice 25, 30 seconds. And Varun, poor thing, I said, start walking in style. He started walking in style. The moment he came below that pyro, his expressions changed. And I said, we're shooting in 2000 frames. Why is he changing? And later on he came out and there was smoke coming.
from Raghu I become Bhagu.
Poor thing, and I'm very sorry about that, Varun.
No, it's all
But
worth
that
it, at
other
least.
thing is, he went back for one more retake. And he stood in that pyro and started hitting his hand. And finally, we had to pull him out. And then we put ice all over his head, especially for you to know. He was really injured. He was burnt and he was bruised at the back also. So this happened, glass tuta. Then he had to break the brick wall. And that was a real brick. And Varun, such a real brick.
Okay,
huh?
Sunny Deol will be happy after this video for sure.
मिस्टर राघवन, आपसे भी सवाल है कि जो आपकी टैग लाइन है, डोंट मिस द बिगिनिंग, बस यही. तो ये यूज की गई अभी पीके के लिए, उसके दौरान भी ये यूज किया गया. तो अभी आप खुश हैं कि आपकी टैग लाइन हर तरफ प्रचार प्रसार में लगी हुई है?
मैं तो खुश हूँ यार. पीके में भी यूज किया. I mean, you should not miss the beginning of any movie. लेकिन हमारा मूवी में तो मतलब पहले 5 मिनट अगर आपने मिस किया तो आपको कहानी अलग लगेगी. इसलिए मैं इंसिस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि जैसा थिएटर में होता है, पृथ्वी में होता है कि आप एक बार शुरू होने के बाद अंदर नहीं जा सकते. कोशिश कर रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ करने के लिए.
सचिन, आपसे गाने के मुखड़े का मतलब जानना चाहेंगे कि एग्जैक्टली क्या है वो वर्ड्स, उनकी मीनिंग.
Sure. I'll also like to call upon Divya Kumar, who's the singer. Divya, we call him Bure Ali Khan Saab, funnily, because जो भी वो गाता है इसमें से कुछ भी बुरा नहीं होता है. Everything is worth keeping. To answer your question, Alok, I think I was a little too senti. I think Varun even asked me, पर मैंने तभी भी मैं जवाब नहीं दिया. You can see all of us are very sentimental about this, emotional about this project. I think एक गाना हम करना चाह रहे थे जो straight out, प्यार में मरने और मारने की बात करे. जो when love is, of that intensity, then दिल धड़कन पेड़ और मतलब खूबसूरत और ये सब, I think we need to have a song which has, genuinely honest lyrics and singing. That's why, we've put out words, hard-hitting words, also because we wanted the song to be gritty and edgy. So we had these, you know, these kind of words where say छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा, दाग दे सारी गोलियां नी आज मेरा जी करदा मर जानिया नी आज मेरा जी करदा मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा, मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा, हंसते हंसते मर जाने. So you know, it's the feeling of self-giving and, you know, feeling of submitting in love. I think that's what we wanted to put forward. And Dino sir has helped him, so I think he can actually answer this question because he's part of the.
नहीं सर वो गाना खराब हो जाएगा. हाँ.
Do a dance, Dino.
I think we'll make Varun sing. But you
Long-
know, this song sometimes with at least with Sachin Jigar na, there's such good energy in the room. Songs happen like हम बहुत मेहनत नहीं करते. हमारा 1.5 घंटे में ये एल्बम के तीनों गाने एक के बाद एक बने, मतलब not different days. So I remember one day we were working on another album. I called them up. कि आज मैं ना, I was very angry. So I called them in the morning. I said I'm coming to do Badlapur today. We came. There was just some riff of some guitar. बैठे बैठे in 1.5 hours, we had the whole song between Sachin Jigar and me. And we called Varun, who's sometimes frets a lot. You know, there's no music, no music. So I sent him a message, go to sleep. So, so he came to the studio. And I remember, Varun, when you heard the song for the first time, what happened?
मैंने बोला that boss, we've got a theme song. I said this is a song now Sriram will like. Because it's very difficult to please Sriram because obviously
Such
the
a
film
liar.
is in
First,
such a
he
tone.
gave a politically correct answer. He was like all emotional. Then he left and he said, "अरे और गाने भी चाहिए." So he's a greedy guy. He's this political. I think Divya should sing the song.
But also want to welcome Jigar is here.
Jigar, give your speech now. Sachin said
Jigar
you
has
had
written
prepared
a
a speech.
आज शेव भी करके आए
I
जिगर.
told them that I was missing you because you prepared the speech for the day.
Yeah, actually, I'd like to say that this guy Varun, na, he keeps pushing us to do better. And when Dino sir came to us, he said, "देख भाई, अगर इसके लिए तूने सही गाना नहीं बनाया तो ये कहीं ना कहीं से लेके आएगा. It's better to बना दे." So, but I'm glad, you know, like Sriram sir and Dino sir and Varun, we've all together. Hello, Ahmed sir. He's our debut director. So we've all been to, you know, this journey and we've been able to come up with some good music. I hope you all like it.
I think Divya should sing.
I think it's time Divya sings. एक हो जाए.
Everyone sings together, I think.
अरे नहीं. We want to. Who wants to hear his voice, guys? Who wants to hear him sing live?
छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा, छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा, छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा, दाग दे सारी गोलियां नी अज मेरा जी करदा मर जाने नी अज मेरा जी करदा मर जाने नी मेरा जी करदा मर जाने नी अज मेरा जी करदा मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा, मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा, मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा, हंसते हंसते लिट जाने यानी मेरा जी करदा मर जाने यानी अज मेरा जी करदा. Thank you.
Okay, so now before we leave, actually एक और singing. अच्छा आप बोल दो. Sorry, आप question.
We have some questions left.
Sorry. No, I was going to treat you to one surprise, but
No,
okay.
no, yeah, you can.
No. We have actually we have Sunny Leon with us as well, who's no, she's not here. Okay. No, ask. I'm kidding.
Varun, just curious to know, did you break those blocks of brick at one go?
In one go, actually, I was going to ask Dino today in the morning. I got up. I said, "क्या कि brick लेके आते मैं तोड़ता हूँ, कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा." But then I said, "Screw it, because I've got shooting and all ahead." I said, "कुछ हो जाएगा मेरे को, रहने दो."
Hi, Varun.
Ahmed,
Ask him this question. It is actually one take only, because एक ही brick था.
Ahmed, a question for you. Brilliant work. You praised Varun Dhawan a lot, and rightly so, he deserved every bit of it. You also said that he's the best dancer in Bollywood. Where does that leave Hrithik and Shahid?
India wants to know.
Nation wants to know.
See, I have worked with Hrithik, I have worked with Shahid, okay, and I'm done. Varun is the new generation, and Varun के बाद भी आएंगे. There's Tiger Shroff also. There are everybody. So we are talking about this song.
सूरज भी है अभी जो बहुत अच्छा है.
Suraj, I've shot with Suraj for Hero.
He's very good. He's very
So,
good.
you know, there's Ranbir who dances very well. Hrithik is a guy who's perfect. Shahid is trained. Ranbir is, he's got that old cool style. Even Abhishek has got his own style. Okay. Shah Rukh is the persona. What I said about him, I made him do a particular style that's got a bit of crumping. Okay, crumping is the Western tandav. When a man is hurt, so he does kind of crumping. And I didn't expect him to do it that well. So that's why I said he is one of the best dancers. And for this song, I think he's the best dancer.
Okay, one more question for you. You know, 2015 has started on a big bang for you. Not just for you, but also for the other students of the year, Alia and Siddharth, who seem to be in love. Are you happy for them?
Very happy for anyone who's in love. I think if I don't do speak, because I will get into trouble as well. But have they told you that? तो मैं नहीं बोलता, ये हमेशा होता है कि बोलते कि हाँ इन लोगों ने ये कहा था, तो मैं बोलता अरे वेरी गुड, मुझे तो कब से पता था ये वो मैं अटक जाता हूँ, मेरे को मैसेजेस आते हैं, मेरे को गाली आते हैं. सो आई डोंट नो एक्चुअली, आई डोंट नो, मैं तो वेगस में था, मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता.
Hi Varun, wish you a very happy new year first of all.
हाय हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. आई नो हु यू आर, बट आई डोंट नो वेयर यू आर. सॉरी. हाय.
Okay, so first of all I want to know कि you have said earlier कि सलमान खान की तेरे नाम से you took the inspiration for this character. तो सलमान even he tweeted about you and said कि वरुण तू तो बहुत आगे निकल गया, like in his started of your career, like different तरह के movies आप कर रहे हैं. How it feels to you, like?
Obviously very special. Salman Bhai is someone that I've grown up idolizing and watching. And what I meant by Tere Naam was, I mean, the type of career Salman Bhai has had and the type of film Tere Naam is, the type of subject it is, he need not have done it. It's not something that you would say, oh, this is a Salman Khan film. But काफी टेढ़ी film है. फिर भी उन्होंने किया. And it worked very well for him. So I think I got that belief, that inspiration, and I felt that, oh, I can go out there and make these decisions because people before me have always made these difficult decisions and they paid off. So, and I know that that's a film he had done from his heart at that point. So this is a film that I've done from my heart. I was going through something when I signed this film and during this film, and hopefully it'll show.
Varun, yeah. Varun?
What's up?
Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar. First of all, Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to everyone over here.
Okay, congratulations to the team. The song, the trailer, it's very awesome. Varun, you did it a good job.
Thank you, sir.
So my question to you is, while shooting for this film, you worked with the method actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui. How was the experience? What have you learned from him?
I've learned a lot from Nawaz. I have to say, I've learned a lot about cinema. I've learned a lot about how he conducts himself as a human being. I have to say this, what I've realized about Nawaz, he's one actor who runs away from fame. वो भाग जाते हैं, उनको पसंद नहीं है वो. He likes to be away from all this. Nawaz is not only a gem of an actor, he's a gem of a human being. The way he does his scenes, the way he prepares for it, he doesn't make anyone feel कि मैंने ये किया है. Even by observing how Sriram would direct him and how he would take direction is amazing. I'm very, very grateful to him that he's part of our film. And like I say, this film is incomplete without Nawaz. He's a very important part of this film. And I always say this, that Nawaz and me are a pairing made in hell. When we both clash in the film, it's almost two people from different worlds clashing, two different ideologies clashing almost. And who gets the better of whom, you'll have to see on 20th of Feb.
दिनेश, वो लिरिक्स वाली बात रह गई थी कि आपने किस तरीके से लिरिक्स लिखी थी?
Actually लिखे नहीं. You know what happened? We, like I was saying, हम लोग बैठे and there are thoughts, right? You have. So when we talk about मुश्किल कर दिया जीना मेरा, हंसते हंसते मिट जाना, it just in 1.5 hours we were done with lyrics and everything, and then we said, okay, should we call someone for lyrics too? And we actually did that also. And then Jigar looked at me and said, we are done. So it was a very organic process. It happens with them. It's as much Sachin Jigar as me. And it's happened on all the, I think even on Jeena Jeena.
I think food is a major feature because we really like Sindhi curry and all, and he likes Gujarati food. So we basically meet to have food and chill. बीच में कभी ऐसे गलती से हो गया literally.
In fact, the second song which we're going to launch, which is Jeena Jeena, which also Ahmed has. If you look at this album, actually there's a track called Jeena Jeena, which is for falling in love. So this Valentine, you can fall in love with Jeena Jeena. Then there is Losing in Love, Judai, which actually is Varun's favorite track, which will come out third. And then the third is to Die in Love. So it's a complete album which बोलते हैं ना अगर 4 लोग प्यार करते हैं, एक को लड़की मिलती है, 3 का दिल टूटता है. So they are also covered and the first guy is also covered. So hopefully this Valentine Day our album will do very well.
वो आतिफ के साथ आपकी तस्वीरें भी आई थी, तो उसके बारे में अगर आप
इनको आतिफ से प्यार है.
आतिफ को वरुण से प्यार है. Actually, we are very happy that when we made this track, we were wondering which voice to get, and we are really lucky that it all happened so quickly. हमने आतिफ को गाना भेजा. He loved the track. We recorded on the first in Calcutta. I called Ahmed. He was holidaying in Dubai, and we said that we need to shoot a video, but in the tone of Badlapur. So he said, "Let's do it." And on Prophet Muhammad's birthday, on the 3rd, we shot the video
In Dubai.
in Dubai, and he shot it really well. Like he's been half the DOP on it, which the Italian guy won't be very happy. But Ahmed has killed that other song, but we'll talk soon about it.
Any questions are there on Tevar, because I have also part promotional of Tevar, और I think they are damn good pair यार. मतलब उनको देख के I am happy for them. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. उनके बारे में जितने रूमर्स लिखने हैं लिखो. पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है 2 दिन में. I'm very happy for them. My parents actually saw the film before this, and I'm going to go see it tonight. I think जो उनकी chemistry है, they know each other from their childhood. दोनों के balcony आसपास है, तो छुप छुप के देखते रहते थे एक दूसरे को कि कौन पहले बनाएगा कौन दूसरे. Then they both lost weight और दोनों नीचे रास्ते पे मिले और ऐसा पिक्चर करते हम लोग. I think Tevar is going to be a huge success. The first success of 2015. Arjun has given his blood, sweat, hard work, everything in that movie. जिस तरीके से promote किया है, आप सब लोग ने देखा है पहली बार. And I'm really looking forward to the film, and I'm going to pray to God that it does really, really well.
वरुण, VHP के जो लोग हैं विश्व हिंदू परिषद के, उन्होंने करीना कपूर खान की एक मॉफ्ट पिक्चर एक मैगजीन पे लगाई है और उनका ये
सच्ची मेरे को फोटो देगा, मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा तो ही बिलीव करूँ.
You can see the picture here. उनका ये कहना है कि जिस तरीके से लव जिहाद जो हो रहा है, वो लोग उन सारी हिंदू लेडीज को वापस लाना चाहते हैं जिन्होंने मुस्लिम से शादी की, और करीना की मॉफ्ट पिक्चर इस पे लगाई है.
किधर लेके आना चाहते हैं?
अपनी कम्युनिटी में वापस लाना चाहते हैं.
किधर है कम्युनिटी है?
According to them, Hindu and Muslim love jihad, such kind of thing. So what's your reaction? Like celebrities को इस तरह की चीजों में लाया जाता है, उनके pictures use किए जाते हैं.
They should watch PK, I think. उसमें अच्छा समझाएगा. I don't know about this controversy. Not that I'm scared about answering about any of this actually, but genuinely मैंने इसके बारे में पढ़ा नहीं है, तो मैं जानता नहीं हूँ ज़्यादा. पर मैं समझा नहीं जो क्या मतलब किधर लेके आना चाहते हैं. मतलब हम लोग इंडिया में हैं और वो भी इंडिया में है, तो they're saying it's wrong to marry intercaste. I don't understand it. That's all I can say.
Okay, members of the media, last 2 questions before we wrap up.
Hi Varun, Anita here.
Hi Anita. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you? You have worked with Remo, you're working with Remo right now, and you worked with Ahmed. How different are they, and with whom was it easy to shoot?
I think with both of them, yeah. Why easy? Matlab in the sense I did in my first film I worked with Remo sir, and since then actually I've been hearing stories about Ahmed sir from Remo sir, and the good thing is that both keep giving me stories about each other. And in fact, Ahmed sir has seen some stuff of ABCD2 as well, which Remo sir has shown him. Remo sir always says whatever he has learned from Ahmed sir, because he started his career from him. He gave him that push, and then he's gone on to become so successful. Obviously, there is a similarity. I think the one similarity that they both have, that they always want to do something new with everything. And I think that's amazing. I wouldn't say who's easier or who's better or something like that, because like I said, Ahmed sir is so senior to all of us. He just looks very young and probably is doing the youngest work of his life, I think, in this phase of his career. And he's an amazing choreographer, and he's someone I actually want to team up again and again with. But like he always says that I will come to him in every film, but I wanted to give him that one special song I want to work with him, because I know if there's one man who can take a song to the next level and can do things that probably even youthful people can't imagine, is Ahmed Khan in this industry.
Thank you.
क्या हाल है प्रशांत सिंह? इन दोनों, अच्छा सोनाक्षी और अर्जुन दोनों काफी तीखे मिजाज के हैं. दोनों देखो स्क्रीन पे शायद अर्जुन का ज्यादा होगा क्योंकि वो हीरो है एंड ही इज डूइंग ऑल दैट, बट ऑफ स्क्रीन ज्यादा सोनाक्षी के. You have to see Arjun जब कैमरा बंद है और तब सोनाक्षी है, तब देखना चाहिए. तो तब ऑफ स्क्रीन सोनाक्षी के ज़्यादा है और ऑन स्क्रीन अर्जुन के ज़्यादा है.
Members of the media, thank you so much. वैसे वरुण एक सरप्राइज के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. तो वरुण, what is that surprise that you were talking
Actually,
about?
today with us, amongst us, we have Hanu Dikshit, who's a contest winner of Ji Karda. जैसे you have a lot of cover versions nowadays digitally online YouTube पे. So Hanu has done a cover for Ji Karda and been selected all around the country. He's going to play the guitar live as well and sing as well. And we've already heard it. Now we want you guys to hear it. And it's amazing. Divyak is also here and Sachin Jigera also here. So you guys have already got a cover for your song.
Wow.
I think which is amazing. And
Come on.
Come. अरे ऑब्वियसली खुश है. वी आर ऑल इंडियन. तो हम लोग सब बहुत खुश है कि इंडियन टीम आज आने वाले. आज विराट कोहली ने 140 कितना मारा? 150 हो गया उनका. 140 हुआ है उनका. नॉट आउट है ना. So I think the team is doing well in Australia. They're catching up hopefully in the series. And for the team, very happy and going to wish them all the best for the World Cup. और कप वापस ले गया है ये देश में जहाँ हम लोग सब क्रिकेट के भूखे हैं और प्यार करते हैं. पर बदलापुर 20th फेब को रिलीज हो रही है. हानू कप.
Okay, before I start the song, first of all, it's such an honor to perform in front of so many people and in front of the entire team of Badlapur. And I hope I'm able to do